Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
A tight hole?
Eh?
That's what like a tight hole.
Yeah! What go on, peeps? You don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next episode of Trick Questions. I'm watching on episode 4. And right now, I only can tell by the background. I only can tell by how the video starts. I get to me and say, well, they are crossroad right now. Come for mash up crossroad in idea. So watch you know, without further ado, because I see people in the comments and cuss me because I ever say adieu. You understand? But I know the right word and I just swing it in my way because I just, yeah. So without further ado, alright, I joke me make. Without further, hold on. You see it? I mix me up now, you know. So without further ado, we're there crossroad, episode 4. You don't know your boy Jnel. And we're there.
Hi YouTube, big up Jnel.
Me at the topic, a journey, come on a show.
Yeah.
When I say me at the topic,
Yeah.
me at the topic.
True.
And nobody can pass my topic. This man won me $1 million.
Alright, my Jenna, first thing, just give me a name. People them know you already still, you know. But more, you give them a name.
Don't know, you know, I want to Shana, you know. You mean to subscribe my boss, you know.
You mean too, boy?
Subscribe my boss, you see me?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Achieve. Odian.
Oh, my name Chin, man.
Chin.
Two name, my name. Ronnie Bop.
Ronnie Bop.
Yeah.
Alright.
Not
Oh,
Gully
you're
Bop,
artist.
not Gully Bop, you know, Ronnie Bop.
Oh, you're artist or something?
No.
That's how you move, so.
No.
Shy.
David, my name.
Eh?
David, my name.
David.
Only cover gang, you know badness.
They say artist.
Yeah, man.
I run something for people, you know, man.
Alright, a big food where the killer dem a chat. We a big food if you see the criminal. Purple jeans of a seed pan the top. Yeah. A whipped cream she a put it on the cap. Pan the yang where we get a slap it up. Me no big friend but me rather to get back. Yeah. Pussy them wash up. What text catch bright? Girl you fat like she fried. Cried, see me in her face in a come. She baptized client credit card it and load the stock price. Buy the fat crown, buy new clock right. Give such a food the be my broke the stoplight.
Yeah, one spades though.
Gospel ninja.
Gospel ninja.
Yeah.
Oh, so you sing gospel song?
You must boogie yaga. Or you must gospel I don't know. What you want? Gospel or boogie yaga.
You want run the boogie yaga?
Alright. Extra, real all about it. Real bad man made the news. Then all they got the media confused. It got so extra, read all about it. Real bad man made the news. Police go search and find the big tech 9. Getting all the media confused. Extra, read all about it. Real bad man made the news.
Prince.
Yeah.
Calipe.
Yeah. Proper way, no?
Proper way.
Yeah, proper.
Lewis.
J. Lando.
You don't know me and them man at high school, you know, man. You get me I say?
James.
Wagwan squad, you don't know your boy Jnel. Watch out now. You see for that video, yeah? I'm save the best for last. So the first 2 questions, they might not be that funny. But you see the last question, trust me, you don't know I miss that. So make sure you say you wanna watch through the whole video. And next thing, like the video. Please, right now. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Let's start. Let's go on back to the video.
Yeah.
What month of the year of 28 days?
No February.
February.
All of them.
February.
All of them. That him right, you know? That him right. All of them are 28 days.
28 days. Oh.
What? Every month of 28 days.
Oh. Oh, the fuck? Oh, every one of them have 28 days.
Alright. How much month of the year have 28 days alone?
1.
That means that all of them have 28 days. If I just one.
Oh.
What month of the year of 28 days?
Yeah.
February.
February. Eh? February. February?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, man. February. Wrong.
Wrong.
28 days.
Yeah.
August.
February.
September. 28 days. 28 days. December. December.
What month of the year of 28 days?
March. January.
What month of the year of 28 days?
All of the month them.
Where did I go say a while ago?
February, but all of the month them.
Yeah.
November. July. June.
February.
Month of the year. Every one of them, man. Every one of them have 28.
28 days. What month of the year of 28 days?
February. The second month, February.
February. Sure.
Positive.
Oh, you so sure?
Because when you learn, look at the rhyme, I say 30 days of September, April, June, and also November. All the rest of 31, except February alone, which of 28 days clear, and 29 in each leap year. Stop it.
Stop it. You're wrong still. You know?
Really?
All of them have 28 days.
Right, I caught a month of 4 weeks.
Yeah.
That was great.
So all of them have 28.
But still try.
Alright. What month of the year of 28 days?
28 February. 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 No, February. Which month of the year of 28 days?
Yeah.
February, me that says still.
February.
Yeah. Which month of the year of 28 days?
All of them.
Month.
All of them.
What you said? Which be your question?
What month of the year of 28 days?
Oh, it will be all of them.
Because you have to pass 28 to reach 30.
Yeah, big green on that. I'm fucking on that.
February. February alone.
What month of the year of 28 days?
Oh, the ball Friday.
Next one, right?
Yeah.
What month of the year of 28 days?
What do we know that?
What that?
Which month of the year?
Yeah. Of 28 days, yeah.
We know that.
What that?
The second month.
Which,
Of 28 days.
Which month that?
Sometime.
Which month that?
February.
February. The month of the year of 28 days. No, February.
February.
No, to the 31st, so down to the February. Every year. Every month of 28 days.
January and February. February have 28 days.
Yeah.
That's 1 month of the year, 28 days.
Yeah.
That was just February, me say.
What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
I go in the fridge hot and come back out hot. Rum.
Rum.
We put rum in the blood fridge right now, you can't freeze it. And it still a taste hot same way. You can't freeze rum. You want me to prove it to you?
You say rum.
Rum, me say.
You go in the fridge hot.
You go in the fridge hot and still a come out hot. The cup will cool, but the rum will never cool.
No, the rum will go cold.
No.
Just now go freeze.
It now go cold. It come out hot same way, my dad. Hot.
Hot as in, when I say hot as in, what you mean?
My gear, I look at harsh feeling there. I look at hotness there. But me never say eat. And I eat me, I work with. Hot are different things nowadays, you know? Yeah. So, right, let's say it there.
Yes,
I rum me, I work with same here.
You say rum.
Rum.
What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
Pepper.
Go in the fridge hot and come out back hot. Think about that, no. Simple one. What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot? I gotta put something in there. I gotta put something in there. What goes in the fridge hot and come back out hot?
Pepper.
Pepper. What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
No pepper, man.
Pepper.
Yeah.
That goes into the fridge and come back out hot.
What go into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
Ice cream.
What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
Rum. Rum.
Rum, why you say that?
Cause it can't freeze and get cold. Like the raw rum. Yeah, when I put it in the fridge, it's like, it nah ever get freeze. I don't know what cause that, but.
Nah, I go freeze, but I get cold though.
No man, it's still hot man when you sit and take a sip man. Hot. Believe me. Yeah, what?
What you say?
I say peppers. Scotch bonnet pepper, yeah.
Yeah, man. Pepper the answer, man.
My pass.
You say pass? You want the answer then?
Yeah.
Pepper, man.
Why I really rigging?
What go into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
I go in the fridge hot. Come out hot. I don't know that one there. Me
What you
don't say rum, but I know rum.
You don't say rum?
Yeah.
Yo, why everybody else say rum?
Rum, cause rum can't cool, you know.
No, man, it can't cool,
Nah,
man.
go turn the ice.
But it nah freeze.
Yeah.
But you go in the fridge hot and come back out hot.
What that then?
Pepper.
Oh, dear fucking that's
What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
Me know that one there. Don't ask me that.
What I want there?
Don't ask me that.
Tell me.
That's a pepper. Don't ask me that.
What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot?
Yes. But only pepper can do that.
Eh?
The pepper alone do that.
Yeah, man.
Pepper.
What goes into the fridge hot and come back out hot? As him say pepper.
What goes into the fridge hot and come back? Electricity. Oh, you get that?
Because when you plug it in the hot, and when it go in the cool, someone's supposed to electricity.
Easy to go in, you know. Hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Well, that one that sound away, you know, me teacher. But me that sound like a one needle.
Eh?
That one needle.
Needle?
Mm.
Oh, you get that?
Cause needle easy for going, you know, boy, can't broke all in here too.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Repeat.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Easy to what?
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
I can't figure out that one.
Easy to come out.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
A man.
Oh, no, the kid is never that.
What am I? You're a man. I question you, I don't know the question, but I know you say, what am I? What am I? You're a man.
Easy for go in and hard to come out.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have a finger.
Inside, yeah.
Jeez and peace. Alright, I want to looking for 6.
Looking for 6.
Yeah.
Think about it, man. Easy to go in, you know. Hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Sometimes I have a finger inside me.
Inside it.
Inside it.
Yeah.
Vagina, man.
Easy to go in and to come out some inside. I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
You say give up?
Yeah.
Hard to go in.
Yeah, and sometimes I have a finger inside me. What am I?
Sometimes I have a finger inside.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
An octopus.
Oh, you get that?
I'm thinking about the sea. And why in the sea can move like that.
And you have a finger inside him?
Yeah, bring inside in the water. My strongest in the water, and so even kind of control and breathe the wheel. You understand? Yeah, that made the thing about.
That don't make sense to me.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Yeah. What about the finger part there? I like the finger part there still, but what you say? Repeat.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
I know I'm not sure like that question. Me I say, easy for going, hard for come out.
Yeah.
Easy for going, hard for come out. What that?
Nothing now come to mind, you say, Malik. John or Jnel, that one.
Jnel, that one, stick in the brain.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Oh, one pussy.
Tight pussy, girl, calm down yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself.
One pussy.
One pussy? Mm-hmm. Oh, you get that one there?
Because then the finger can go in, sometimes easy for going.
Yeah.
And sometimes you get attached, you don't want to come out.
You're serious?
So a pussy.
Adapt me I work with one pussy. I in other terms one vagina then.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I? Yeah, big up, big up.
I don't like that question.
Eh?
That question is sound away. Easy for go in.
Yeah. Hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
No, I don't like that. That don't sound right.
Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
A tight hole?
Eh?
That's what like a tight hole. Right or wrong? That's all like a tight hole.
A tight hole?
Mm-hmm.
Why you say that?
Easy for going that hard to come out. Sometimes you are stuck.
Yeah.
Or so tight hole, them feel tight hole go on with.
Yes, that tight hole going with.
Ask the bitch about it.
Yeah.
Easy to go in, hard to come out.
Yeah.
And sometimes I have a finger inside.
Yeah. What am I?
Can you? A piano.
Eh?
A piano. Easy to go in.
Yeah.
How you say?
Hard to come out.
Hard to come out.
I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Jaja. Why am I not know?
Easy to go in, hard to come out.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have a finger inside me.
Yeah.
That fuck, brother.
Yes, sir.
That fuck up, I don't know that, brother.
Yes, sir. Fuck 'em. Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
Let's see if I want ring.
What?
Ring.
Ring. Yeah, man. That is it. That is it.
Easy to go in, hard to come out.
Yeah.
Finger inside, what?
I sometimes have a finger inside me. What am I?
A donut. Well, I don't know that. I don't answer no more. I don't answer no more.
What you say?
Easy to go in and it's hard to come out. Sometimes have a finger inside it.
I don't know a blood clot. What is
Brother, the first mirror question like this.
Yeah.
You hear what the man does say? Easy for go in, hard for come out. That's a jailhouse, you know.
Yeah.
But see the finger where I deal with, I can't know what that. See, I flap him, I flap me. See me, I show you this, I never want.
No, man, listen again, you're overthinking, you know. Easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me, whatever.
Means not a pussy, so I must him. I don't know what that, bro.
Yes, you don't know that.
No, bro.
I'm gonna give you the answer then.
Me I think about it.
Yeah, easy to go in, hard to come out. I sometimes have a finger inside me, what am I?
Feel like it's a woman question that though. I don't know it.
What you say?
You say you want the answer?
Yeah, man.
Ring, man.
That's true. What my name, I'm not penny that way. This
Yeah, you're not penny that way.
I'm penny that way. Because the ring up on the finger, it's hard, and the finger, very. That's true.
Yeah.
But the pony works the same way too. The pony work the same way too.
You work the same way?
The same way the pony work the same way. Because finger going out too, so I can't rank same way.
Yeah. Welcome, on, my peeps. Thank you guys for watching. You done your boy Jnel. Yo, make sure say you like the video. I know I reach yes in that video, you know. I know when I reach yes in and still not like the video yet. Come on, man. Click the like button. Your boy Jnel what I do it. And for the time when I disappear, you see me, I was doing music. You get to me, I say, so I have my Vivo channel and everything with a song release. You understand? I can put the song on the screen, in the comment section, and also in the description. You get to me, I say, so I can go check out my song, which is a song, it's explicit. You understand? So if you know, say, you know, like explicit type of music, you see me, don't go over there. But if you're in a business, what type of song it is, go on over there. And it's a song when name Waste, you see me, not wastewater, waistline for the girl them. You get to me, I say, for the G them too, can send them girl them or them girl. You get it? You see me? So song name Jnel Waist, W-A-I-S-T. You see me? So make sure you check it out. Go over there and drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Like it up, share it up, and it's also available on all media platforms. So iTunes, Spotify, the whole of them. Go over there, go listen to the song, drop a like, drop a comment, everything. You get a message. Support the boy Jnel. You get me? So thank you guys for watching. You don't know that was episode 4, Crossroad. You get the message. Enough love, enough respect. Thank you guys for watching again. You don't know your boy Jnel. And as usual, what is under my mouth? You see, you get chick. Under my mouth, I say you get chick. What is under my nose? I'm out.